Hey everybody, Mike from Absolute. I'm gonna fire our oil furnace off. We have an oil burner here. And a lot of people get into situations where, hey, my oil filled, we need to bleed it. I'm gonna walk you through real quick the easy steps to do it. So I use a pie pan, just old school, right? Nothing fancy. And we have our burner assembly here. So here's your oil line coming in. This little nipple here, you need a 3/8 wrench. Fits over. I'm just crack it. Not to go crazy, just half a turn. Get your open box set wrench. And we close it. Not a lot, okay? I'm gonna fire her off. Wait for it. Wait for hold for heat. Alright, doesn't need it. Alright, she's trying to fire a little bit. Get some air. So we'll fire it off in the air. Wait a second. Just get cobwebs out of there. The oil looks pretty watery, so definitely at a quarter tank, and you can tell that. So we'll let her know that she needs to get refilled. But that's how you bleed it. So all we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to bring it up here nice and easy so we can see it. Here is, you want that little nipple there? Take your 3/8 wrench. Small adjustment. Wheel out. Air bubble. That's how you bleed your oil system.